guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to your girl Patra Zone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day as usual. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Before I go any further into this video, guys, please go ahead, do something. You know what you're supposed to do. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Leave a comment at the end of this video and let me know what you think about what I am about to unbox. And share this video with your friends and family. Tell them about your girl Patra Zone. So in this video, I will be unboxing. Well, not literally unboxing because it's not a box. This is my wig that I purchased from Amazon. So I'm going to unbox it on camera for you. And you're going to see it with me while I try it on for the first time. So let me go ahead and pull my package for you guys to see, and then we'll unveil the wig. This is the wig. Yep. So it came into this, and then it came into this bag here. It's from Amazon. This bag almost looks like a sheen bag, but it doesn't have a sheen on it. So this is the ear that I bought, guys. This is the wig that I bought. It's a 1B14 CA pack. It came with some accessories. Actually, it's an headband wig that I bought, and the color of the headband is black, but it also came with an extra headband. I'm not sure if I'll wear this one unless I wear it full black or something like that, or white. Then I may wear this, but yes, it came with this as well. It came with some other accessories. It came with these. This is a mesh, right? It came with mesh. It came with hairpins. So I'm going to pull this to see what exactly is inside. It's a weaving cap. So let's pull it, guys, to see what it really is. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull it. So this is what it is. So it's a weaving cap. So I guess I use this to cover my head before I wear the, I assume, before I wear the wig, right? I'm not a wig person, but yeah. I'm gonna try to see if it fit my head. So there it is on my head. And also it came, really? Guys, I didn't know that the package came with these things. It came with hairpins and eyelashes. Guys, I do not wear eyelashes. I didn't know that the package came with, it's a MAC eyelashes. I do not wear eyelashes, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. It came with the package, so I don't know. I didn't know that it was coming with all of these accessories, to be honest. So I guess these are bonuses that Amazon sent me with my, this is all I purchased, guys. So this is a wig that I purchased. There it is. So I'm going to take it out, and it has a mesh over it to protect it. So it's a curly wig. I'll give you the correct name of the wig at the end. Alright, so this is what it looks like, guys. So I'm going to take off this tag. So it has, this is the headband. And it's a one size, so it's supposed to fit my head. So I guess, yes, I can adjust the band. So it has the Velcro at the back, so 2 Velcros, so yeah. And it's a black band, and here is the wig. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put the name of this wig in my description, so you can go and check it out, yes, to see the price and yeah, what the name of it is. So I'm going to try it on now for you. Alright, guys, so now I'm getting my edges done by Ariana, and then I'm going to try the wig on for you guys to see what it looks like. Okay, so stay tuned for that one. Turn it on. She took it. Can you remember? So she's using Eco Gel to do my edges.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Six. Let's try to break them apart. Yeah, we're not.
If someone in trouble, the San Diego Fire Department is on their way. Here we come, firefighters love to stand our hand.
This distance is taking a hold of me. Baby, come.
Ear? My ear? Alisa, get up from there.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is what the finish is like. My edges are done, makes it look even more natural, like it's my natural hair. I gave it a center part. If you want and you have a hair like this, you can always give it, you can give it center part or a side part. So next time when I'm wearing it, I may just give it a side part, and you know, I'll change the part each time I'm wearing it. So I really like it guys, and it's very light, it's not heavy, it's bouncy. and 9. The name of the wig will be in my description, and the cost of the wig will also be in my description, so go check them out if you like it, guys. I got it from Amazon, so I really like it. It feels really good, it looks really good. So thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell me if you have worn this wig before and what it's like for you, if you did like it. If you didn't like it, let me know. Okay, so see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
But you know, guys, I'll have to get my edges done, but that will not be done now. So in order for it to look real, and also it has these ear pins inside, ear comb, ear pins inside, yeah. So I'm gonna put like this. I will have to get my edges done, and then I'll show you what it looks like when my edges are done. Yep, so this is what my curly wig is like, guys. So stay tuned, guys, for the edges part. I'm gonna get my edges done and then I'll come back to you. So stay tuned for that.